Hey, Year 6, how you doing? So what's this week? We're starting to look at volcanoes. So in week 1, as you remember, we looked at what's inside the earth, what's it made up of, and how the bit just under the crust that we live on is really hot rock, and how that can sometimes come out in a volcano. Then in week 2, we looked at how the tectonic plates on the surface move the continents around, and over millions of years the continents have not always been in the same place. In week 3, we're in the third lesson rather, we looked at how the tectonic plates can bang up against each other, or they can pull apart, or sometimes they can slide alongside. Last week we found out all about earthquakes, how when they slide alongside the transform movement causes earthquakes, and how there are earthquakes happening every single day. We're lucky because we don't get many earthquakes in Britain, and when we do, they're very low on the Richter scale. But you will have looked at the United States Geological Survey website, okay, and I hope you got a chance to do that, and you would have seen that they're happening all the time. Some of them actually pretty big. So that's what we did last week. This week is all about volcanoes. Now, what I want you to do is on Monday of this coming week, so 1st of Feb, there's going to be the team's call at 2 o'clock is going to be all about geography. So I'd like you to get involved. Just come on and tell me what you found out so far, because I know all of you have been doing lots of your own research as well as doing the stuff that I've set for you. So well done. I'd like to hear what you know about earthquakes and volcanoes. Now, just a clue before I finish. In this week's task, one of this week's tasks is a crossword. And a crossword, one of the answers, if it was, I'm not telling you the answers, but if the answer was Hawaii, which is a volcanic island in the middle of the Pacific Ocean, then you need to be very careful how you spell Hawaii. That's a tip. See you later.